Hi everyone, we're taking a little day trip up to Hoover Dam, which is not very far away, a little over an hour's drive. It's a beautiful day, it's nice and clear, hardly any clouds. Should be good.
If you notice, we're taking the toad today. The reason we're doing that is because we're stationed in Kingman for the next 3 weeks or so, and this is a nice day trip for us, and it don't have to use as much gas. How's the drive been so far?
Not too bad. It's pretty flat, a little hilly. The roads are kind of rough in some places though.
Keep off the wall.
I'm not on the wall.
Remember, we're on Nevada time here. Who knew we could have brought the RV?
I don't think so.
Today we're going to do a twofer because we went up to Hoover Dam. Hoover Dam is in Nevada. So we're going to put Nevada on the map. Sure we are. We're going to put Nevada on the map. Ta-da! And we've got a Hoover Dam sticker, so we're going to put that on the map as well. Where should we put the Hoover Dam sticker? Do you care?
Don't care.
Don't care. Then we're going to put it over here because we can. Hoover Dam!